Hey guys, welcome home to the channel. Magical greetings from Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Hotel.
No. We're at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Oh, we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom at Walt Disney World Resort. So this is our final and last time riding on the Dinosaur ride. And they are going to go change it to, I think, Indiana Jones, like what they did at the California version at Disneyland. So I have not been on this ride since maybe like around 2004 or 2005. So I am way overdue to go ride it again. So we will go show you all of the line as well as the ride. And to me, this will be like a new ride to me because it's been so long since I rode it. So, and we will go enjoy, and I hope that you guys too. So right here is in front of the ride with the dinosaur. Actually, this is actually a movie that Disney did in 2000. So, the Dino Institute, it's fast, it's a blast, it's in the past. It is 5 o'clock, but we don't have a lightning lane, so we are doing standby, which is 50 minutes. So it is 5:03 right now, so we are going to go wait in the line, and I'll go show you the line right now. This is just a regular outside line, so I think I'll go show you the guys inside when we get there. Right outside of the building in the line, we have some dinosaurs here. There's one right there, and there's another one right here. So right at the entrance, we have this big bone dinosaur right there, if you're gonna go see. Alright, I just spotted this guy too. That looks so creepy. We have another dinosaur right there. I don't know what kind it is, but it's kind of small. And right outside of the building, we have this big, looks like a T-Rex. We have another guy right there. Wow. I don't know what kind he is, but he looks nice. He kind of looks like a Triceratops. The Dino Institute, dedicated April 22, 1978, exploration, excavation, and exaltation. Well, actually, April 22, 1998 was when Animal Kingdom Park opened. So that's very interesting. And that is actually Earth Day too. So we just walked into the building, and this is what we see right here. And on this side, we have the predator and prey. Details about the fossils and the bones and the teeth. and the shapes and the eggs right there too. Alright. Up top we have some like woods and trees right there. We got a swan. Is that a sort of like a swan or a duck right there? Gator gar right there. Alright. And right here we have the shape of the skull of a triceratops. Oh, actually, it says something else in here, but it is. Some more stuff right there too. Wow. Right here's on the wall, this is their detail of some leaves and some twigs too. Alright, that's cool. Right here is the survivors, it says. There's a whole lot of stuff here. Bones, fossils, skeletons, skulls. Everything, you name it. So we entered another room up here. Wow, look at this guy. Wow. Man. Wow, that's a lot of stuff here. And right here is this big, huge skeleton of another dinosaur. Oh, look at that. We have Earth right there. Wow. Oh, look, check this out. Okay. Hang on, guys. Right there's 5,000 miles. And then it goes all the way up. Are the lights turned off? I have no idea. But it's gonna be very scary soon. Okay, so we are now in orientation room A. Looks like that we are going to have like a little pre-show.
I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tools are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period. And I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked.
Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in, use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing.
Those locked coordinates?
We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Hey, it's me again. Remember,
To underground research facility. So we're just going to go right on the ride soon. Wow. Time transport loading bay right here. Right, I have to go secure my bag soon. So right here is the vehicle right now. So we'll go show you the ride when we get on the ride.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on!
It's kind of dark out here.
I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours.
Oh man.
Computer, full
Bumpy,
stop.
yeah.
Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go!
Woo. Whoa, man.
Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Oh.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Oh, man. There it is.
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Oh.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver! Left! Right! Left! Right! That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort!
We just took our
Abort!
picture.
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it!
Oh, God.
They're
Oh.
not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
No, we are not going to make it.
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew
We
you
made
would.
it!
And guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
Wow. Well, that was it, guys. Extinction. Here's a nice picture of some of the dinosaurs. We have the cell phone charger fuel rod right here. Right here's the gift shop after you leave the ride. We have most of, well, got Disney pins right there. We have mostly the dinosaurs right here, based on the movie. That is our car that we were in. That was bumpy as... I see your point. World, what's this? Domination. Got some hats. Can't stop, won't stop. Bad to the bone. We have this ginormous, big skeleton of a dinosaur. We got some fossils right there too. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that should be nice to go get it. Limit 5. All right. We have Mondays. Oh, definitely yes. We saw that. We got some more toys right there too. Reach for the stars. Oh, that's some socks right there. We have a mug right there. Magnets, and we have even hats right there too as well.
And it's got a dinosaur on it.
We got some cups.
Did he go for those?
Alright. We have some, what is this? Looks like, what is this? Puzzles? What is this? Smithsonian. That's a puzzle right here. Oh, check this out. That's cool. And stuff right there. And we have the light sticks right there. Got the grabber right there and all these things right too. Stuffed animals. Looks good. We have some more looking sharp. Bad to the bone right here. Let's try this. Oh man, that's nice. For $60. Oh wow, that's cool. So what's this one? Check what? Alright, hang on guys. Check yourself before you T-Rex yourself. Wow, that's cool. I got another sweatshirt right there. Got some more hats. Oh, look at this guy. That's cool. Photo purchase. This is where you get your ride pictures. So I'm gonna go look at this big, huge skeleton from the front now. That's what it looks like from the front. Huh. Wow. They even have all this stuff down there too. And we even have some rocks too as well. So right outside, after you get out of the store, we have this another dinosaur, and I see a sink right here. Does this shoot water or something? I guess not, but that's very interesting. Well guys, that was the dinosaur ride, and wow. Well, most of the part of the ride was you are in the dark, so I tried my best to get my brightness up on the phone, but you can go see some of the stuff, but not a lot. But you're gonna go see some dinosaurs too as well, and it's like so bumpy and jerky and stuff. But it's I don't know. I can't think of a ride that's similar to this? I don't think so, no. But the car itself, it's just like goes this way, and it's very like you feel like you are on a very bumpy dirt road in a train somewhere. But other than that, it was nice. So
I kept my eyes open.
yeah.
First time I went on it, I was so scared I kept my eyes closed. And my friend told me it was the scariest ride he'd ever been on. But then, after I kept my eyes open, it's not that scary.
No.
It's really not that scary. And it's not bad.
No.
Now, is it my favorite ride at Disney World? No. But, you know, it's alright. It'll be okay.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
excited to see what they're going to do for Indiana Jones.
Yeah, that too and stuff. So this will be similar to the Indiana Jones at Disneyland Resort, I think. So, and oh yeah, and the time. So we got in line at 5 o'clock, and we got on the ride at
5:54.
5:54. So yeah,
A little good wait for the ride, but it and we got off at 5:57 or something. It was like a 3-minute ride.
all right. Okay, so currently now it says 45 minutes. So, and a big surprise to me that Claire Huxtable from the Cosby Show, Felicia Richard, is the what was she?
She's one of the she introduced us to the ride.
She was the head
She did the pre-show.
dinosaur person. Wow, I didn't even know that. Wow, that's very interesting.
You didn't know that?
I haven't been on Dinosaur since either 2004 or 2005. So that's over maybe like 21, 22 years since I've been on this ride. So to me, this is a new ride to me because it's been so long. But, so this is our last time riding Dinosaur. So, guys, man. Well, we're gonna go walk around and probably go on some more rides and go dine somewhere, probably a restaurant to tourists. So, guys, we will go catch you on the next POV ride, which is gonna be, I don't know yet.
We don't know yet.
I'm thinking about Test Track, the new version, so probably go stay tuned for that. So, guys, as Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck, and also Pluto and Goofy, and the rest of the dinosaurs. See you real soon. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and have a very magical day.